This 2021 Winnebago Voyage 3235RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 36 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 4, refrigerator, microwave, TV, oven, DVD player, air conditioning, spare tire kit, carbon monoxide detector, awning, slide out, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features kitchen island. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Winnebago Voyage 3235RL is 8,280 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.